Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by entering photo mode immediately. Press the shortcut or open the menu and choose photo mode so you don't lose the moment. Once in, turn off the HUD and set resolution to the game's native aspect ratio to preserve detail. Make sure you're in a secure spot, fast travel or find a quiet corner, because moving enemies or weather changes will ruin a composed shot. This first step locks in control and prevents wasted time fumbling with basic settings. Now compose your shot. Move the free camera and use the rule of thirds to place your subject for strong visual balance. Once done, tweak aperture and exposure to control brightness and depth of field so the background softens and the subject pops. Make thoughtful use of zoom and tilt to add perspective, then apply filters, vignette, and a gentle color grade to set mood. Take a quick preview to confirm each change complements the scene before final capture. Finish by taking several captures with small variations so you can pick the best one. Use burst shots for animated expressions or spell effects. After you're satisfied, save and export in the highest quality format available, then move files to your gallery or cloud and name them clearly for later. If export fails, stop and reload photo mode, verify you have enough storage or switch to a lower file size setting, and try again. This resolves the majority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.